We're packing up. Hey. We're off to breakfast.
I thought I just heard you.
Thank you very much. Oh, it's a nice breeze.
I don't want to be cold.
I like it being cold. Say thank you when you get it on.
I did.
Did you? Louder. You're a cheerleader.
I don't want to scream. T is like one of these. C then it's H. C then it's N.
Cool. How's your pancake? They're good? What did you say?
It's chocolate drizzle.
Chocolate drizzle.
What?
It's goodbye, room 16. Let's go.
Got the door on?
Yep. Goodbye, room 16. And we're off.
I think we're holding the door now.
Cheer comp 2. Let's go.
We're holding the door and not the front one.
Thank you.
So that has this.
Oh, you got to hand the key in. Thank you. See ya. I forgot to. Let's go. Comp day 2, you ready?
Yep. Yeah.
Who's performing today?
Me.
You excited?
Yeah.
And where we're going back again to Warwick University, yeah? Cool. Let's head off to Cheercity, Comp day 2.
Are there any baby wipes in the back?
Head west towards Brandon Road, A428.
There's some of it. Do you want them?
In 50 yards, turn left towards Brandon Road, A428. Turn left towards Brandon Road, A428. In 150 yards, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Brandon Road, A428.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Have we locked the car? Yeah. We just parked the car. Heading over to Warwick University. Loaded fries and pizza. that good?
Let's stop a bit. Oh, sorry.
Alright. Cafe Nero.
I don't know.
It's called Cafe Nero.
I thought it was Starbucks.
You see it? You sign up there? How was your performance? Was it good?
Yeah, it was kind of like a tumble at pyramid, but how would the judges know? They don't even know our routine. So pyramid with like a little stumble, but but also Emmy was trying to she jumped to try and get on the shoulders, but it literally just looked like she was meant to do that.
Pardon?
What is that?
Vanilla, that's so boring.
Vanilla is not boring.
I don't want anything there.
We have these pegs. We've got pegs. We're collecting pegs.
Oh, that's cool.
Speaking of pegs, have I got a picture? Yeah, no, you haven't got any pegs. Do I? No. Good. Wait, we should go around and... Hello. I'm with my friend. We just finished our competition. I'm with my friend. We did have a fall, which is good. Well, Emmy kind of fell backwards, but it looked like it was meant to happen though. Emmy was so good at acting. She literally fell backwards like it was meant to happen. Yeah. And then she tried to get back up, but she jumped and I didn't see any stumbles. I didn't see any because we were so busy. And also, I didn't even have time to do my circle, so I literally just went in my space. Boo-boo! Yeah. Where we are now. Just to say, if you don't know what these pegs are for, we have to decorate them. And you basically just go around. When someone doesn't know, and somebody knows, they get out of your hair and you collect them. Yeah. That's basically what they are, if you know what I'm talking about. And
What's it called?
Pegging. Why is that funny? Why is pegging funny?
It's not funny.
Pegging. Why are you laughing?
Peggy. Did you say Peggy or Pegging?
Pegging.
I thought you said Peggy.
That's on me, can't be.
Oh, look at this.
Thanks, yeah.
Taste test, what'd you get, Lil?
Nice. Mango fruit pastry.
Any good?
It's good. Yummy.
What'd you think?
You drink, I drink, you drink, I drink. You have a drink,
Show us. Turn it around. What? That's pretty sick. Wow, that pegs. Margarita pizza. Yummy. But £1.50 for a can? No thanks. This is what's going on in the back. What you got? Pizza. I don't think it fits in there, bruv. Can holder. Put the water where I put it last time. That's it. Ooh, pizza. Yummy.
This pizza is very wonky.
It is wonky. Looks good though, doesn't it? You got a phone. All set up. Peace. Is that good? They're good? Wicked. Oh.
My car seat.
Car seat. You're in a chair. Is that good? Loving life. Loving life. Let's open some windows first before we die. You got a message for the guys that make your pizza? Don't burn it. A little bit burnt, isn't it?
Otherwise, this is what it's gonna look like.
But they did use proper pizza bake ovens.
Because we're bored and it's too noisy in there.
It's awards time, and people are now leaving, which I can only assume awards is now finishing up. So Mummy should only be like 10 minutes.
Dad, can I show you? So,
And we're going to make our way home.
Dad, so you could collect the blue ones, but if they're grey,
Mm.
then you can just pick those ones up.
Cool.
But
Say hi.
hi.
Say hi, Mum.
Hi.
You look quite tired.
I am.
And Lil's worn out with a wound just from awards. But do you have a good weekend, girls?
Yeah, I had a good okay.
Sorry? There wasn't any words.
I'm sorry. I said I had a good okay.
Press. What was your best bit, Lace?
Sleep.
The route has been calculated.
Your best
Drive
bit was
onto a
sleep.
digitized road.
Sleeping.
What, in the hotel?
Yeah.
What about you, Lil?
Performing Lady Rain.
Performing Lady Rain. Okay, so we're going to head off home now, okay?
No!
So say thanks to everyone for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Any other messages?
Do not hurt your
yourself.
Yeah, don't hurt your knee.
Get loads of sleep because it's actually nice at the Moon Hotel.
Yeah, we had a good time at the Premier Inn Binley, didn't we?
We did, yeah. It was-
Nice
I
breakfast
like
again.
that hotel.
It's a nice little hotel.
We've been there before, Mum.
We
Yeah,
have.
I'll
and
maybe
we'll
back.
be there again.
Yeah.
What do you mean? Thank you for watching our video.
Make sure you comment down below. Cheer.
And make sure to comment a sleep emoji.
And like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to see when the next we post.
And see you guys later. 3, 2, 1, bam! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And you subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys! Bye guys!